Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we'll be looking at adding and subtracting decimals with tables. So the first thing you're going to do is where it says type, you're going to type your name and put the date. If I can spell the date right. And as of this recording, I'm recording on the 18th, so that's the date I'm going to put. Okay, so my first problems are going to be adding decimals. So I have 3.175 plus 0.988. Correctly pronounced, it's 3 and 175 thousandths. You name the last place. And 0 and 988 thousandths. So if we put it in the table, we're going to add them like this. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So I'm going to put the 3 down here and a 1 up here. This blue part is going to be my carried over or regrouping. So now I have 1 plus 7 plus 8, which is 16. Carry over the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 9 equals 11. I carry over to the ones, not the decimal. The decimal stays there. Now I have 1 plus 3 plus 0, which is 4. Now here, I type in my answer, which is 4.163. Now that one was that was already set up for us. Now we have to set it up ourselves. So we have 2 and 9 thousandths plus 1 and 75 hundredths. So I lined up my decimal. So my 2 goes here. I have a 0 here, 0 here, and a 9 here. In front of my decimal, I have a 1, and behind it, I have a 7 and a 5. I'm going to put a placeholder right here so I know that my 9, there's a 0 under it. And I can't forget my adding sign. Okay, so again, I start over here. 9 plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Gonna delete this. And my answer is 3.759. Okay. One more example. In front of my decimal here, I have 8.0 and 825 thousandths plus 4 and 679 thousandths. So I'm going to put my 0 here. Behind it is 8, 2, and 5. In front is a 4. And then I have 6, 7, 9. I'm adding them, finding out what they equal. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 4 is 5. Okay, then down here, I delete all this, and I put my answer 5 and 504 thousandths. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to my third page, which has subtracting. I'm going to put my name, date, okay. It's set up for me to do 2 and 55 hundredths minus 2 and 5 hundredths, making sure I have them lined up perfectly. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So my answer is 0.5 tenths or 50 hundredths. You can drop off this 0 since there's nothing following after. I'm going to keep it in just so I know it's there. Okay, here we're going to set up this problem. We have 5 and 85 thousandths and minus 2 and 5 tenths. So I have 5 here in front, 0, 8 and 5 behind it. I have 2 in front and 5 behind, but I need some placeholder zeros, so I'm going to put those in. Subtraction sign, my equal sign. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 5 I can't do, so I'm going to change this to a 4. Change this to a 10. Let's see, I'm going to highlight my 5. Let's see if I can do, oh, here we go. Going to format and text, I'm going to strike through it. I'm going to do the same with my 0. I'm going to go to format, text, strike through it. So now I have 10 minus 5, which is 5, and 4 minus 2, which is 2. Delete my answer, delete that, and type in my answer, 2 and 585 thousandths. Okay, here I have a number without a decimal, 12. But if I were to think of that as like $12, I know the 1 and the 2 would be in front. Here I have a decimal, so I know this is 2 and 37 hundredths. Now I need placeholder zeros here. Put my subtraction sign, my equal sign. Okay, I can't do 0 minus 7. I can't borrow from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow from this 2. Go to format, text, strike. So that becomes a 1. This becomes a 10, which gets borrowed to become a 9. Oops. To get rid of a strike, you just highlight it, go to format, text, and click super strike, not super strike, strike again. Highlight that, format, strike through, and 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 1 minus 2 I can't do, so I'm going to strike through this and put 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So I have 963. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video has helped, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!